Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. The reason I got the lights on because if I turned it off, it'll be. So my sister right there playing her song. Yeah, I got my Nerf gun. We might have a Nerf gun fight. We might. My mama let Kristen have the phone. She could put it on her channel. Yeah, so I play on my slime here. You see it? It's all watery. I know it's nasty. It barely sticks. I don't know why, but I like it. See? Oh yeah? You know what came with it? Kristen unicorn all the way pink. While my unicorn is purple. I wanted to change because her unicorn work better. Even when I take the unicorn out, it works better. I'm talking about the unicorn. It's kind of like it's better.
See?
I know.
Look.
Hold up, Kristen. I don't know why mine not stretchy, hers is. That's why I want new slime.
I don't know why you want slime every time because it's gonna go bad.
Drown unicorn. You see this unicorn? Drown.
They're gonna say, why you playing with unicorns? Like, that's a girl.
Serious? Drown unicorn. Drown, tell me, you know. You see that unicorn? You see that white thing right there? You see that white thing? That's the unicorn. See that? Drown. No. Okay, now here goes the real action. Hold up. So, look, go. Real action in 3, 2, 1. Go. Look at that, go. I'm gonna sweep all this daddies. This is gonna be our room now. We gotta get this clean up. We just bought our beds. My mama in that room, they room all the way good.
Hey, y'all.
Oh yeah, Kristen, get down here. Get down here, girl.
Go show us, CJ.
Here you go. Put your slime right here. Right here. Just dump it. Ah! Oh, sorry. They got slime in here?
Yeah.
Look at that. The unicorn's down.
Look what you can get this from. Move it here. You can get this from Dollar General or something like that.
Hold on. No, you get this from with secret toy inside. Wow. Oh, read that, guys. That sucks. How?
Secret toy. Let's see the secret toy is.
Hold up, I gotta turn this over.
Alright.
With, hold up, nah. It just says with secret toy. Kissing out.
It's not.
Let me
no. It's not slime.
Yeah, it's water. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Hold up. Would it work better in the dark? Would this work better in the dark?
No. Yeah.
Oh.
Blurry.
Yeah.
Blurry.
Stop.